Inside the box, you will find 2 Curapods resting in a tray with a troubleshooting dongle, a quick app guide, instruction manual, 50 adhesive stickers inside a pouch, 2 straps, one large, one small, 2 Type-C charging cables, a dual socket power adapter. For the best results, always use both the Curapods together on any given pain area. It is highly recommended to use for at least 2 to 3 times a day with a time gap of 6 hours, following a 15-day schedule for 100% efficiency. The front side of the pod features power button, the opposite LED side which emits therapeutic red light. This must be placed in direct contact with your skin. It has already come inside a detachable casing which is used to support the straps. Hold your finger firmly on the power button for 3 seconds and the device turns on. It enters into a manual mode represented by blue light on the power button. To start the session in a manual mode, hold the finger again for 3 seconds on the power button and the session turns on. The session runs for 30 minutes and automatically turns off. To stop the session, hold the finger again for 3 seconds on the power button and the session turns off. Stickers are designed for the areas where the belt is not comfortable, like your neck, shoulder and pelvis region. Simply peel off the sticker from the sheet, attach it on the LED side of the device, peel the blue protective film off the sticker and place it on the pain area. Strictly, stickers are only for one-time use to prevent infections. Place the pod into the outer casing. Insert the Velcro end of the strap into the case and run it through the front part of the device. The LED side is positioned on the pain area in direct contact to your skin. If needed, you can slide both of the devices into the same strap. The dongle is specialized for troubleshooting. If you encounter any technical issues, just place the dongle into the charging port for 5 seconds to restart or reboot the device. Curapod cannot be used in certain conditions. Avoid the use if you're sensitive to light therapy, you're pregnant, breastfeeding or planning for pregnancy, you're confirmed or suspected cancer or past history of cancer therapy, you have serious underlying health conditions, you have bleeding disorders, you have recent hemorrhagic injury or trauma, you have open wounds, you experience pains related to the internal organs. Additionally, avoid using Curapod over your reproductive organs, using it around the neck if you have thyroid conditions. If you have any medical concerns, it's best to consult your doctor.